Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using iVPN. Welcome to my in-depth review of iVPN, where we'll explore its features, assess its performance, and determine if it's the right VPN solution to meet your specific online needs. iVPN presents itself as a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN service that prioritizes robust privacy and security features without overwhelming users with unnecessary complexity. If you appreciate simplicity and value your online privacy, iVPN might be the perfect solution for you. Let's delve into what iVPN has to offer. First and foremost, iVPN is engineered for users who prioritize security and anonymity above all else. It utilizes robust AES-256 encryption, the industry gold standard, ensuring your online activities are shielded from prying eyes. A key feature is its strict no-logs policy, meaning your online activity data is neither stored nor shared, making it an excellent option for privacy-conscious individuals. Furthermore, iVPN employs secure, open-source protocols, ensuring transparency and eliminating hidden vulnerabilities. Regarding performance, iVPN delivers respectable speeds. While it doesn't boast lightning-fast connections like some premium VPN services, it provides a stable and consistent online experience for everyday browsing, streaming, and even light torrenting activities. While its server network isn't as extensive as some larger VPN providers, it covers all the major global regions, ensuring reliable access in most parts of the world. iVPN's user interface is clean, minimalist, and incredibly easy to navigate. There's no complicated setup process, and the app functions seamlessly across a range of devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. The inclusion of a kill switch adds an extra layer of security by automatically disconnecting you from the internet if the VPN connection drops, a crucial feature for maintaining your data security at all times. In conclusion, iVPN is a solid, dependable choice for anyone seeking a straightforward, secure, and privacy-focused VPN service. While it may not offer the extensive features and add-ons of some larger VPN services, it delivers on its core promises efficiently. If simplicity and security are your top priorities, iVPN could be the ideal VPN solution for your needs. Don't forget to check the description for product links, and if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.